Lloyds Bank offers a Refer a Friend scheme for existing customers. You can earn a cash reward, typically $30–50 per successful referral, subject to current terms, when a friend opens a qualifying current account and your friend also receives the same amount. There is usually a yearly cap, for example, 5 paid referrals. How to refer? Log in to the Lloyds Bank mobile banking app. You must hold a qualifying current account such as Classic, Club Lloyds, Silver, Platinum, or Basic, Student, Under 19s, and Smart Start accounts are generally excluded. Go to the Apply or Current Account section and select Refer a Friend or Share Link with a Friend. Generate and share your unique referral link via text, email, or social media. For the friend, they must be a brand new Lloyds customer, no prior current account, savings, credit card, loan, or mortgage with Lloyds. They click the link, download the app if needed, and open a qualifying sole name current account within the stated time frame, often 14–30 days. Rewards are usually paid as cash credits within 30–35 days of the new account opening. Keep the account open as required by the terms. Always check the latest offer, eligibility, and full terms in the Lloyds app or on lloydsbank.com, as details can change.